Melissa, you want to speak?
Yeah, it's been a good place over here in Hyderabad biryani. So we are having lunch over here.
Hey guys, we are at Hyderabadi Biryani and I think it's a good place to chill out, hang out and yeah, the taste of the food is also better. So do try.
I think Hyderabad the biryani is much more better than normal biryani. So we are going to try.
बिरयानी इसका नाम है हैदराबाद
Just for vlog, I mean, just introduce guys.
Hyderabad biryani is a good Hyderabad biryani is a good thing and it's a good recipe and it's a new experience.
Along with the tradition, we have played with full swing. Super. You know, you can see the meat of chicken. It's well cooked.
Guys, I'm in the Navi Mumbai CBD Belapur. So here you can see Hyderabadi biryanis, as always have been my favorite. So here Hyderabadi authentic dum biryani, starter kebabs and Mughlai food. Sorry, a little bit so here I'm going to introduce my friend. Hi, Malaysian. How are you, bro?
Hi.
Rohit.
Hi, Sishan. How are you?
So these guys are my friend, and he's Malaysian, ATOs, everyone ATOs, electrical officer, marine officer, and Asfa from Andaman Nicobar. Lakshadweep. Sorry, I forget. And Siljo from Kerala, right? Am I right? Yeah. So you want to say something?
Already we have come in this one of the restaurant in called as a Hyderabad biryani. So we have heard that so we have come in one of this restaurant called as Hyderabad biryani, and we have heard that this restaurant is a very good restaurant. So we're gonna try the biryani. Yeah.
So Rohit, Hyderabadi biryani is any besides others biryanis?
I don't know anything about it. Actually, I want to try Hyderabad biryani in Mumbai.
Now these two guys from South India, and both are my best friend, Asfaq and Siljo. So Siljo, you belong to South India, right? Yes. So Hyderabad is a part of also South India. So how they prepared the food?
I have heard about Hyderabad biryani is much more spicier than our Kerala biryani. So I'm gonna try it.
Okay, you are not right. Now Asfaq.
Is spicy way. I'm coming the second time here.
Okay,
So
okay.
you have to take it.
Okay.
Melissa, you want to speak?
Yeah, it's been a good place over here in Hyderabad biryani. So we are having lunch over here.
Hey guys, we are at Hyderabadi Biryani and I think it's a good place to chill out, hang out and yeah, the taste of the food is also better. So do try.
I think Hyderabad the biryani is much more better than normal biryani. So we are going to try.
इसका नाम है हैदराबाद. Just for vlog, I mean, just introduce guys.
Hyderabad biryani is a good thing and it's a good recipe and it's a new experience.
I'm introducing this is my friend from Goa, Rohit from Goa,
Hey guys.
and Asfa from Andaman Nicobar, and Silju from Kerala, right?
Hi.
Okay. And I'm from Varanasi. So today is on a special day, Christmas. So we all together here just for the celebrating Christmas, right?
With what?
Guys here. No, I don't. I don't want. So today we are over here celebrating I always have been been about to eat a Hyderabadi because you know guys, Hyderabadi is just cooked on a 4 layering biryani and it's prepared around it takes 8 hour, 12 hour preparing food. Having meals with the guys, you know.
Hey guys, you can see. Okay.
So we are here with the chicken chili and we're gonna try it. See what is the taste.
This dish looks so amazing. Yeah.
Thank you.
Definitely I will start this.
Thank you so much. Just let me know the taste of this one.
Nice, nice.
Malaysian. Nice?
Very good. I think you should all try it.
Yeah, of course, bro. Obvious, I am here just for the taste, you know. And I will let you know how is the taste. Rohit, bro, kindly let me know the taste. How is the taste?
The food is just awesome.
Food is
You can
awesome.
see the chicken here. We get the whole leg piece. And it's tasting just fabulous.
Super, super. Sinju, how is the taste?
It's much more spicier than our Kerala wala biryani.
Yeah. It's awesome. Awesome. And I'm gonna take a little bit bite. I will let you know how is the taste. So, actually, this is the biryani recipe. So I don't think I should use the spoon. So I used to eat, and along with the tradition way. Plate with full space. Super. You know, that's why I came here. Having a biryani Hyderabadi. It's super delicious food, bro. Really, literally, I'm telling you. You can see the meat of chicken. It's well cooked, and I can I barely amuse myself. But when I having a biryani, even especially when Hyderabadi biryani, I enjoy a lot because They used a 4-layering biryani marination process, and it is cooked for a 15-hour marination process, and then raw chicken they use.